Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You're watching second round action. Scores are Calabar High on 6 points, St. Mary High back down to 4 points in a reversal of fortune. Upon review, the judges cannot accept Vatican as the answer to the question about the smallest country in the world by population. The name of the country is Vatican City. So with that, we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. St. Mary High, you were sent into bat first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was struck dead for touching the Ark of the Covenant without authorization?
Obedidum.
Uzzah, what type of solution causes plasmolysis in plant cells?
Isotonic.
Sorry?
Isotonic.
Hypertonic. What is a 6-letter word starting with S that is a synonym for austere?
Austere. 6. Sincere.
Severe. Who is the Jamaican Member of Parliament for Southwest Clarendon?
Southwest.
Richard Hassan.
Lothan Cousins, which is the only planet in our solar system which rotates clockwise when viewed from above its north pole?
Jupiter.
Venus. What is the highest layer of Earth's atmosphere?
This is a exosphere.
Yes. Which jazz saxophonist released the album A Love Supreme?
Puff.
John Coltrane. What is the oxidation number of nitrogen in NH base 3?
Man 3.
Yes. What is the square root of 3 corrected 2 decimal places?
Script 3. Root 3.
This is 0.866.
No, 1.73. Which actor holds the record for most
John
best...
Travolta.
No, which actor holds the record for most Best Actor Oscars, and that is Daniel Day-Lewis. Well done, though, St. Mary, for your first minute. Take a deep breath. Calabar High, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which of the 12 tribes of Israel was dedicated to the priesthood?
Levi.
Yes, what is the name for the false feet of the amoeba? Sorry?
Pseudopoda.
Yes. What is the 9-letter word starting with O that is an antonym for reticent?
Obstreperous.
No, outspoken. Who is the Jamaican Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Anne? Yes. Which is the largest land mammal that has no vocal cords?
No, land.
Elephant. No. Pass.
Giraffe. What feature forms when a meander is abandoned?
Oxbow Lake.
Yes. Which Nigerian musician recorded the Afrobeat anthem Water No Get Enemy?
Davido.
Fela Kuti. What is the POH if pH equals 5?
4.
9. What is the square root of 5 corrected 2 decimal places?
4 and...
Pass.
2.24. What is the name of the top prize at the annual Venice Film Festival? And that's the bell. You won't have time to tell me. It's called the Golden Lion. Well done, Calabar, for your first minute. St. Mary High, we're coming right back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. Who was the leader of Yugoslavia during the Cold War?
Pass.
Josip Broz Tito. Which cricketer holds the record for the most centuries in all forms of international cricket
Brian Lara.
combined? Sorry?
Brian Lara.
No, Sachin Tendulkar. What is the name of the effect which causes an ambulance siren to sound higher pitched as it approaches?
Pass.
It's the Doppler effect. What is the Spanish phrase for the English sometimes?
Algunas veces.
A veces? No. Okay. Complete the title of this short story written by Ian Serralier, The Enchanted
Island.
Island is correct. What was Jamaica's name under Spanish rule?
Name on the Spanish rule. Examaica.
Examaica.
No, Santiago. In the Bible, how old was Ishmael, the son of Abraham, when he died?
90 years old.
137 years. What is a simpler 5-letter word for olfaction by humans?
Olfaction. Here.
Smell. Spell luscious.
Luscious.
Yes. Who is the president of India?
India. Jupiter Mermu.
Yes. In which Canadian territory is the capital city of Whitehorse? And that is Yukon. Yukon. Yes. Okay. So the algunas veces has been accepted. We will see how that works itself out. Well done, St. Mary High, for your second minute there. Calabar High, coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. What ancient civilization built Petra?
Petra, Mayans, or Aztecs?
No, the Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia.
No, the Nabutians. Which boxer retired undefeated with a professional record of 50 wins?
Rocky Marciano.
No, Floyd Mayweather Jr. Which device produces electricity from the conversion of the energy of motion?
Motion. Why Electric motor.
Generator, translate the password to Spanish.
Password. Ever?
El Paso.
La Contraseña, complete the title of this short story written by Vic Reed. No morning
Under the sun.
in the valley. In what year did Jamaica become a crown colony?
1866.
Yes, in the Bible, how old was Isaac when his twin sons were born?
Isaac. 60 years old.
Yes, what is a simpler 7-letter word for the human act of ambulation?
Ever?
Hearing.
Walking, spell specious.
SPECIOUS.
Good. Who is the president of Germany?
Ever?
Francois de Mayor.
Yes, in which Canadian territory is the capital city of Yellowknife? That is the Northwest Territories. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. St. Mary High, we're coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Which country borders Algeria to the west?
West. Tunisia.
Morocco. Who teamed up with Diana Ross to release the 1981 classic song Endless Love?
Michael Jackson.
Lionel Richie. What is the formula name for alkynes in chemistry?
This is acetylene.
Yes, what are the factors of x squared plus 3x minus 4?
Minus 4. 4 and 1. Yeah. So this is x plus 4, x minus 1.
Yes, Eddie Redmayne won an Oscar for Best Actor in 2015 for his role in which movie?
15.
Sentimental value.
The Theory of Everything. Which political party won the general elections in Trinidad and Tobago in 2025?
Trinidad and Tobago Labour Party.
No, United National Congress, UNC. Who is the president of Cricket West Indies?
Kishore Shallow.
Yes, in physics, the angle that the refracted ray makes with which line is referred to as
Normal.
the angle of refraction. Sorry?
Normal line.
That's correct. What does the Spanish verb cerrar mean?
To close.
Yes, who wrote the book Those Winter Sundays?
Robert Frost.
Robert Hayden. What is the name of Jamaica's longest river? And that's the bell not giving you enough time to answer. It's the Rio Minho. Well done, St. Mary High, for your third and final minute. Calabar High coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Which country borders Egypt to the west?
Libya.
Yes, who teamed up with Michael Jackson to release the 1982 classic song The Girl Is Mine?
Paul McCartney.
That's right. Sorry?
Paul McCartney.
It's Paul McCartney. What is the formula name for alkenes in chemistry?
Olefins.
Yes. What are the factors of x squared minus 7x plus 10?
X minus 5 and X minus 2.
Yes. Gary Oldman won an Oscar for Best Actor in 2018 for his role in which movie?
The Two Pope.
Darkest Hour. Which political party won the general elections in St. Vincent and the Grenadines in 2025?
We had
Pass.
The New Democratic Party. Who is the president of the Jamaica Cricket Association?
Donovan Bennett.
Yes. In physics, what is the name for the cross product of position, vector, and momentum?
Momentum.
Vector momentum. Have it. Pass.
Angular momentum or moment of momentum. What is the meaning of the Spanish verb cenar?
To have dinner.
Good.
Yes. Who wrote the novel Dracula?
Jackie Abraham Stoker.
Yes. What is the name for the river that serves as the official boundary between St. James and Hanover? That's the bell. You won't have time to tell me it's the Great River, but well done for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Calabar High have advanced to 20 points. St. Mary High on 15. We go to the break now with a good word from True Milk. Review notes daily. Go over your notes regularly to remember key points. Repetition. When we come back, it'll be time for what's shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. Round 2 action continues here in School's Challenge Quiz right after these messages.